This single word caption effect is driving millions of views on TikTok and YouTube Shorts right now. Usually creating this requires a paid CapCut Pro subscription or hours of tedious manual keyframing. If you have tried using CapCut PC lately, you have probably run into this frustrating screen. CapCut has locked its auto caption feature behind a paid subscription, stopping free users right in their tracks. But you never have to pay for CapCut Pro just to get auto captions. By the end of this video, you will be generating 100% free, highly accurate captions on Windows, Mac and Linux, including the viral one-word animated style. To pull this off, we are using a powerful open source desktop app called Buzz. It runs locally on your machine powered by OpenAI's Whisper engine. That means no cloud uploads, no monthly limits, no API keys, and complete privacy for your files. Buzz doesn't just transcribe local video and audio files, it can also transcribe live microphone audio, fetch subtitles from YouTube links, and even translate foreign audio straight into English captions. I'm going to walk you through the exact settings to generate precise word-by-word timestamps in Buzz and import them into CapCut PC. Follow along closely so you don't miss a step. Step 1. Let us download the software. Open the link in the description box below to go directly to the official Buzz GitHub releases page. Scroll down to the assets section under the latest release. Download the installer file matching your operating system. If you are on Windows, you might see a security warning when opening the installer. This happens because Buzz is an open source project and isn't digitally signed by Microsoft yet. Simply click More Info and then select Run Anyway. Once installed, launch Buzz. You will see a clean and straightforward desktop interface. Click on New Task in the top bar and drag your video or audio file directly into the application window. Now let us configure the AI model settings. Under Model, select Tiny or Base for fast processing or Small for a balance of speed and accuracy. If you have a dedicated GPU, it will process in seconds. If you are running on CPU, choose Base for smooth performance. Next comes the secret sauce for your caption style. Set the export format to SRT. If you want traditional multi-word sentence captions, leave the default settings on. But for that viral one word at a time caption style, make sure to check the box for word level timestamps. Click Run. Buzz will process your file completely offline and generate a perfectly timed SRT file with word-by-word timestamps. If this free workflow is saving you from buying a CapCut subscription today, leave a quick like on the video. It keeps the algorithm happy. And honestly, a happy algorithm keeps this channel alive. With your SRT file generated, open CapCut PC and add your video clip to the main editing timeline. Navigate to the top left menu, click on the text tab and select local captions from the left sidebar. Click Import, select the word level SRT file you exported from Buzz and drag the caption track directly onto your timeline right above your video. Just like that, your entire video is transcribed word by word and synced to your voice without triggering CapCut's Pro paywall. Now for the fun part, styling your captions. Select any caption block on your timeline. On the right hand panel, choose a bold font, add a dark outline stroke or apply a bright color preset. Make sure Apply to All remains checked. This ensures that any font, color or stroke you select will apply across every single word in your video automatically. To get the viral short form video look, click on the animation tab, select In and pick a punchy animation like pop or spring. Combined with Buzz's word level timestamps, each word will pop up dynamically on screen as you speak. And there you have it, a completely free offline professional auto caption workflow in CapCut PC without spending a single penny on a pro subscription. All download links for Buzz AI are waiting for you in the description box below. Give it a try on your next edit and leave a comment if you run into any questions.